Here I've got RugGear RG850 and let me show you how to activate portable hotspot on the following device. So at first let's open list of all applications, then find and select the settings. Here you should pick network and internet, which is the very first tab, and then go to hotspot and tethering. And now you can smoothly activate portable hotspot by tapping on this switcher. Wait a couple of seconds and that's it. As you can see, now it's active. You can also locate the sign right here, and now you can share the network with other devices. If you would like to switch it off, just click on the same switcher one more time. You can also personalize your hotspot, so you can change the network name and also the password. Smoothly click on Setup Wi-Fi hotspot, and here by tapping and deleting the current network name, you can enter a new one, hard reset, and then you can also change the password. If you click on Show Password, you would be able to see what your current password is. Now you can delete it and enter a new one. You just have to remember that the password must have at least 8 characters. Click on Save to save the changes, and that would be all. So now you've got new network name and also new password. You can share your internet with other devices, but also you can have a quick access to this mode through the upper bar. Simply slide it down, locate hotspot, not airplane mode, but hotspot icon here, click on it, wait a couple of seconds, and that's it. As you can see, now it's active, and whenever you would like to switch it off, when you would like to deactivate hotspot, just tap on it one more time and it's no longer active. So that would be all. This is how you can smoothly and easily share network with other devices, how you can activate your portable hotspot and also personalize it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.